What is going on, you guys? Romeo here. Welcome back for another video. Today we're gonna be going to Static Dayz at the Grove, the season closer one. Yeah, I'm super excited. This is literally 2 weeks after the Gatlinburg trip. So yeah, let's make our way to Maple Grove Raceway. I think we're gonna stop at Wawa on the way because I need some energy right now. Okay, so there wasn't any Wawas along the way. Turnpike gas station works for me. I got this here Starbucks espresso. It might kill me, but we'll try it out. You know, we'll see. It's all good. A couple of these little beef bites here, just to feed the stomach something. All right, well, we're stuck in the line again. God dang it! Yo. Damn it! I thought I was gonna beat the line, but that backfired.
Fucking like 7:30.
Damn. Hello. Good morning.
And sign your name, please.
And sign, you got it. Good morning. I'm here from the media for the car show. Romeo. Just roll in. Awesome, thank you. Hey. All right, where am I parking Big Bertha?
Yeah, you can actually probably park next to that Subaru up here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome, all right.
Just let this guy get past you and then...
Okay. Alrighty, we are here. We are here, ready to freaking rock, yo. Let's get it. Everyone's just getting set up. I know there's a big line coming in, so let's get set up and everything real fast. All right, so yeah, let's get set up and let's get right to work. Gears set up. We're gonna start off with the 24 frames. Just getting everyone rolling in, setting up, cleaning their cars. And yeah, we'll go from there. So this is our first segment. Let's get it rolling. So we spent a couple hours just filming all the cars, mostly 24 frames per second. Just get the all the main shots done of all the cars in the main lot here. So now we're just going to shoot handheld, 30 frames per second. So get a little slow motion action, a little bit of slow motion. Just, you know, capture people, capture the good vibes, some of the cars that I didn't capture. Let's roll into 30 frames. Next update here, we're about to start low limbo. We're getting back on the gimbal. Alrighty, you guys, so we basically finished up here. Crazy event. Interesting things happened. We had the low limbo, then the two-step, then awards right after that. Just packing up now. Yeah, with all the stuff. We got a new book bag here. I'm loving it so far. A lot of space. So let's pack up and let's help them clean up as well, and then we will head out. Alrighty, guys, so that is it. Everything's packed up. We helped packing up the booth. And now we're heading over to Big Bertha, and we're gonna get on out of here. Great event. Great season closer, I would say. Two-step was insane, especially with these cars that are here. They are the showstopper. Maple Grove, until next year. Yeah, I love this new book bag though. Holds everything comfortably, nothing's squished. We're just gonna head out now, head home, end the vlog. Ooh. End the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, because there's gonna be a lot more coming. Just you wait. Peace out and take care. I'll see you the next time.